Hey, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a two-step sales funnel for affiliate marketing using System.io. Now, a lot of beginning affiliate marketers make the mistake of sending their traffic to an affiliate link without sending traffic to a sales funnel first. This is a huge mistake because most people will not buy a product or a service online if it's the very first time they're seeing it. But with a proper sales funnel, we can collect emails before sending people to the offer. That way, if they don't buy it, we can follow up with email marketing and even promote more products to them in the future. And this is super important if you want to build a long-term business as an affiliate marketer. All right, so before we jump into building our affiliate funnel, I want to give you a bird's eye view of what an affiliate funnel looks like and kind of just how this entire process works. So if you take a look at this, an affiliate funnel has an opt-in page, a bridge page, and an affiliate sales page. Now, the affiliate sales page is what's tied to your affiliate link for the program that you sign up to. So this will already be provided to you. So your opt-in page and your bridge page are the only pages that you're responsible for creating. And so what we have right here, and this is how it typically goes, is you want to create content on these different platforms to generate leads to your opt-in page with the hopes of them signing up and going through your funnel. And so an opt-in page looks like basically, you have a headline, and then you'll have a way for someone to input their information for you to receive, which is like their first name or their email address, which will then forward them over to your bridge page. And the purpose of your bridge page is to bridge that gap between the desired outcome of your potential customer and the product or service that can fulfill that desire or goal. And so you just need to kind of explain why it is this product will solve their need. So that is the purpose of the bridge page. And once they have submitted their information to you in this area, that contact information will go into your email autoresponder so that you can follow up with them later on with multiple emails, just in case they decide not to actually make a purchase. So we're not going to talk about the email marketing in this video. I do have another video that I will link to where I do discuss how to set up your email marketing. But the overall goal is to get them through your funnel to the affiliate sales page, and then it is a responsibility of the product owner or the company to sell your lead on their products. And when they purchase, you earn a commission. So for this video, we're going to be using System to create our affiliate funnel. And I chose System because they have a free plan, which is free forever, and it doesn't require a credit card to sign up. So it'll have everything that you need to build your affiliate funnel. And so let's take a look at the pricing real quick. As you can see, once you sign up for free, you will have access to all of this right here through their free plan. And so I want to highlight this right here. You'll be able to build 3 sales funnels with 15 steps in each. And if you should need any more than that, then you can choose one of their paid plans up here. But if you're just starting out, the free plan is all you need. And once your business grows, then you can take a look at the other plans as well. So once you've joined, what you're going to do is to sign in. And when you sign in, it'll bring you to this dashboard right here. And all you need to do to create your funnels is to click on funnels right here and then go to create. And then we want to give this a name. So you'll name your funnel. This right here is a domain that's already given to you from System. But what you would probably want to do is use a unique or custom domain for your funnel, but that's not something you have to worry about now. So after you've named it, we want to go ahead and select one of these goals right here. So basically, we're going to build an audience. So we're just going to select this first one right here. Collect email addresses and build your email list. That's really the goal of the funnel. So we select that and we'll hit save. Now, once we've done that, we're going to go ahead and click on the funnel we just created, test 2, and you'll take notice to what you see right here on the left hand side. Your squeeze page. Your squeeze page is basically your opt-in page. And so what they will do is they supply you with a bunch of templates that you can choose from, and we'll go through this and we'll just select one of these templates and we'll build off of that. So I'm going to go with this first one right here. I'm just going to hit select. We'll keep this as the same name right here. And all we're going to do is save, and we're going to edit the page. This page just has a bunch of information that I don't need, I don't care about having. So what we're going to do is I want to go ahead and kind of do all of this from scratch. And then what I want to go ahead and do is I want to input a headline. So we're going to come over to this side and we're going to drag the headline text over into here. So that's going to be my headline for this particular funnel. So we're going to pretend that we are creating a funnel for a program that'll teach you how to create passive income. And then what I want to also do is I want to add some text as some additional text as well. So I'm going to drag the text sign right over, or the text symbol right under there. This is my headline right here. And then I have a sub headline that's going to provide even more context, which is copy every step I took to create time, location, and financial freedom in less than a year without creating a product or becoming an expert. So we have our headline, we have our sub headline, and now I want to go ahead and have an input field so that I can get the name and the email address of the people who come to this page. So we're going to head over to here to this side, and we're going to come over to form where it says form input. I'm going to drag that here right up under this text. You can see it highlight. And then what we're going to do is we're going to copy that, because this is going to be the area I put the name that I want the name, and this will be the area for the email address. And so if you take notes to this where it says warning, input type not set, we need to set the input type. So we click it and we go right over here to the left where it says input type, and what we want is the first name. And then we're going to do the same thing with the second input type. We'll click on that, and then we will select email, and I want their email. So now that I have that, we're going to go ahead and come back to this side right here, and we're going to get a button. We want to input the button, and we'll drag that over here. We're going to edit this. So you click on that to edit it, and right over here where it says button text, instead of it saying click here, I'm going to change this out to show me how. And then for the subtext, which is right here, I will input click here. Now you can go through and you can change things like the color if you want. I'm just going to leave that stuff as is. You can come right here and then you can change the color of this, but I don't really care too much about that for this purpose. So the next thing we want to do with this button is make sure you click on the button, and then we're going to go over to the left hand side to where it says, do you want to redirect users after contact registration? And we want to leave it right here to the next step, because we're going to build a bridge page, and that's going to be the second step of this funnel. So we want them to go to the next step. So let's move on, and we're going to save the changes here, and then we're going to go over and click this button and exit. And now we're going to focus on our next page. Now we're going to go ahead and click on where it says thank you. We're going to click that step, and now just like in the first step, we're going to find a template for our thank you page. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is we're going to go with just this one right here, because I want to have a video option. So we select that, save this, and we're going to edit page. We're going to do some things here. We're going to get rid of some things. We're going to clean this up a little bit because there's a lot of things in here that we don't need. All right, so I just decided to go ahead and completely delete everything, and we're just going to start from scratch, because all we need is a headline, a video, and a button. So what we're going to do is we're going to come over here to where it says headline. We're going to drag that over to here. And then what we're going to do is I want a sub headline. We're going to drag that there, and a video right there. and then a button right here. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're just going to edit this headline. All right, so all I did was I edited this headline to learn how to shift your income online now. And then the sub headline is to watch the video below. It's an important message from me. In this section right here will be a video that you create, and then you can go ahead and put it here in this place. And then I'm going to come down to the button, and I'm just going to edit the text on the button itself. And I'm going to put show me how, and we're going to type click here for that subtext. Like I said before, you can design this up to make it a whole lot more prettier. I just wanted to cover the basics. We're not going to cover design in this. So you're definitely going to want to take a little time to make it look a little prettier. But just come in here and you can do some simple edits. But this is the gist of what your bridge page is going to look like. So simply another headline, a video explaining what prospect is going to expect and what you are introducing them to. And you want this button right here. When you click on this, you're going to go to this action and you want it to open a URL. And then in this spot right here is where you want to put in your affiliate link. So when they click this button, it'll take them straight to your affiliate page itself. And when you're done, just hit the save button and then exit. And then when you need to, you can view this funnel. And this is what the funnel looks like. You enter your name, your email, and then click this button and it'll send them to the next page. And to get the link for this actual funnel itself, this is going to be the path right here. It'll be this with this. And so you can easily just click this and copy it, and that will take you to your opt-in page for your affiliate funnel.